Okay, so now this is me trying to mess with the CAS 4, the YANHUA ACDP. Now what it makes you do is makes you get these little right here and poke them into the holes here to get space, but it's not that easy. No matter what you do, you're gonna get something that doesn't read. So if you go online, I mean, you just get it always resetting. Nothing ever works on this thing. It took me a long time to get to one screen, but it always errors. Now you have to get them so precise, and this is all that pops up, is one error. And I tried so many times to finally get it to go through, and then it gives you like a pin that it can't detect the pin. It's just, no matter what you try, it's not gonna work. It's just, they advertise it, if you notice online, it's always a seller making a video. This is probably the first video of someone actually buying this programmer to try to make a key. You see, look, no matter what you do, it just does it. No matter what, how many times you try. I reset it many times. Like I told you before this video, I was sitting here for like 20 minutes trying to get it. See, look, now it's getting. It tells you a thing to remove the ground, which I did. I removed the ground pin. That's another thing. They make you cut a pin off of the adapter. I don't know why they don't just remove it in the first place, that they know it's causing a problem. So, you know, they tell you to cut it out, to cut it off, which is weird that they make you do that. It should come already ready to work. So it's detecting the pins, which is cool that it detects it. But I tried this on this module. I tried this also on a CAS 3. Same problem, same pin situation. I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a fail and not mess with this, because if you're gonna spend that much time to get this, and then to get this to fit right, it's just not gonna work out. These pins here are so delicate to get it perfectly aligned. This is not something you're gonna do out in the field or to finally get it right. It's just a lot of time wasted. There's other ways to read the EEPROM, and this adapter, as much as they advertise to make things easier, it is not easier. It is actually a lot harder. I thought I'd give this a try, see how it works on a CAS 4, and for a CAS 4, this did not. It's a fail. I've been trying for a while now. I couldn't get the CAS 3 to connect, and CAS 4 just as bad. Hey, look at this. So let's see. These are the pins here, and then they want you to so I can zoom in, try to zoom in, get some light. They want you to poke the needles where it aligns to with the little probe here. And so what you do is you poke the little, I understand, because there's a wax coating on here, like a resin type wax coating, so it needs to get grip. But if you do it too much, you might break the pad. So they tell you to do it a few turns, but how much is too much? Because if it doesn't detect, you're gonna keep digging at it until you ruin the pad, which I do not want to do. I don't want to ruin a pad, have to solder it on the means of me trying to not do that. So it has a lot of design flaws, and it's not really practical to be using it this way. If you look at the videos on YouTube, they connect it once, but they probably have the little pad. They don't zoom in on the pads that they have already preset. They only show you putting the adapter on and then it connecting right away the first try. They probably have a circuit board already ready, probably solder the pad so it connects really good. They don't show you the part where you have to use one of these things and poke it, and you have to be very careful. If you do it too much, you ruin it. They don't show you that. They just show you where they want to sell you the adapter, make it plug in, and it's not that easy. So that's why I want to film this video, to kind of warn you guys about, if you're thinking about buying this adapter for the purpose of what I did, to do a no solder CAS 4, to go ahead and skip on this. It is not that easy, and it's not what it shows. So hoping this video kind of helps you and guides you so you don't do the mistake I do and buy this unit for as much as they charge. It does not work as advertised.